this video, I will show you how to add spotlight mode in your visual editor. When we write a blog or typing the blog in your WordPress visual editor, where we add spotlight mode, what actually do? Focus on the blog at a time. Open your dashboard and post section and all posts and edit. Now right hand side upper corner 3 dot, click 3 dot and spotlight mode. Now my content is visible, like visible, not a visible. Now click lorem spam or this paragraph. For particular paragraph is spotlight mode and this paragraph is visible, like a visible. Click this particular paragraph, upper one is visible. This way you can add spotlight mode in your visual editor. Thank you.